Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy working on tutorial number 5. All the informations needed to construct a design are mentioned in the description of the video. So, let's get started. Okay, so today we're gonna work on this tutorial. Is number 5. So we click File, New, Part. Okay. We put a name to the part, tutorial 05. Click OK. Insert body. Rename the body by clicking properties, going to feature properties, put the name here, click OK. Insert another body, define this body, hide the planes, click sketch, click a plane, and now we're gonna construct the design of our part. We're gonna start with this option, rectangle. We're gonna construct a rectangle. Now we're gonna construct two circles, one top and one to the right. This one we should arrange on the middle of our axis system, like this. Okay. I'm gonna construct two imaginary lines like this. We're gonna make them pointed. This one, make them pointed. Select constraint, select the line, select the second line, put the dimension 20. Do the same on the other side. Constraint, select the line, select the second line, 20. Now select the circle by holding Ctrl, select the line, click this option, select tangency. And now we know that this distance is exactly 20 millimeters. We do the same on this area. Click the circle by holding Ctrl, click the line, click this option, tangency. Click OK. And as you can see, this is for the moment our construction. Now, what do we know is that we have to trim it. Double click the razor, click here, click here. So now we have this dimension, this form of our design. We should increase this. Do the same on this area also. Double click eraser, click the circle, click the line, click escape on your keyboard to deselect the razor. Okay. What do we know? We know that this dimension from here is 70. Click constraint from this point to this point. Select 70. Now we know that from this point to this point it's 100. Click constraint, select the point, select the other point, select 100. Now select again the constraint. We know that from this distance to this distance is 70. Okay, perfect. Now we know that this dimension from here is 50, so select the constraint. Actually move this dimension to not get in our way. Select the constraint, select this point, select the second point. This dimension is 50. Now select the constraint, select this dimension, this is the point, select the second point. Now we know that this dimension is 60. Now select again the constraint, select this point, select the second point, and this dimension, we know it's 50 also. Okay, perfect. So for the moment, this is our design. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the symmetry of our design. So we're gonna delete this line, delete the second line. Now by holding Control, click on the line, click on the circle, click on the second line, click mirror, select the horizontal axis, and we have the mirror on the opposite side. Now we're gonna do the same with this area. Select the line, select the circle, select the line, select mirror option, select vertical axis. So this is our design for the outside contour. Now what we need to do is to construct the interior holes of our design. So we're gonna exit this workbench. We're gonna insert another body. We're gonna copy this sketcher inside this body. We're gonna select the body, define in work object, hide this sketch for the moment, as we don't need it for the moment. Select this sketch. Okay. As a guidance for us, you can select the lines by holding Control. Select everything actually by holding Control and clicking on them. Select this option. So we made everything pointed, so they are just guidance for us right now. And now we need to construct the holes from inside the cut part. So we're gonna start with the middle one, that is the most easiest one. We're gonna select circle, we're gonna go in the middle. We're gonna construct the circle. We're gonna click again this option, so we make visual the circle. We're gonna constrain the circle. The circle diameter is 120, as we can see in the drawing. Okay, perfect. Now on the opposite side we have again a rectangle. Gonna construct it. We're gonna constrain it. This dimension is 30 millimeters. From here to here, this dimension, it's 130. We know that from here to the horizontal line, it's 130 divided by 2. And we also need to select from this line to this line. So the dimension will be, let's see, it's 170 minus 15. So 170 minus 15. Or I'm mistaking something. Oh, sorry. It's 50 plus 70, 120 minus 15. Okay, so it's 105, this the dimension. Now by holding Control, select the lines that we constructed, select mirror option, and select the vertical axis. So we did the opposite side. Exit the workbench. This is our these are our interior holes. Right click them, hide them for the moment. Right click this sketcher, show it, define the body free, click on a pad, select the sketcher, give it a dimension, for example 20. Doesn't really matter, this is just an example, you can put what dimension do you want. The important thing is just to understand how to do it. Okay, hide body number 3. We're gonna show this sketcher, define body number 4, click pad again, select the sketcher, and now we need to put a bigger dimension than the first pad because we need to remove the material, so our initial material needs to bypass the first material. We're gonna put in show so you guys understand. We're gonna select more. Here we're gonna put 30 millimeters. So in this direction we see that it's passing our first cut part, but this in the opposite side is not passing, so we're gonna put here as much as you want just to pass first 3D preview. We're gonna select OK. Now we're gonna define tutorial 05. We're gonna select the first 3D that we designed. We're gonna add it inside by right clicking, go to this option, add, select OK. So now we added the first design in this main body tutorial 05 where we are actually working. Now we're gonna right click, we're gonna define, it's very important, define tutorial 05. Now right click the holes, go to this option and click remove. Select OK. And as you can see, we did the holes in our 3D design. Click update. Select the part, put a nice color to it. Here you can select the views of the part as you want them. We're gonna select the isometric view. So this is our design for today. I hope you guys understood everything. I hope it was very clear for you guys and this 3D helped you. Please give me a comment, subscribe to my channel, as it will help me to grow my channel and upload more videos. Thank you very much guys, goodbye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.